following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 3:45 a.m. At 2:16 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles southwest of Waukegan Harbor to near O'Hare Airport to 7 nautical miles southeast of Elgin, moving southeast at 35 to 40 knots. Additional strong thunderstorms were also moving into or already over the warned area. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Wilmette Harbor, Jackson Park Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Marina Shores at Dune Harbor, Michigan City, and 59th Street Marina. Move to safe harbor immediately as strong and gusty winds and high waves are expected with these storms. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Now here is the